5 Golden Rules of Equity Investment. Rahul is contemplating investing in the stock market, but before that he needs to know about the details. So these are the 5 golden rules of equity investment. Rule 1. Stay away from the flock's mindset. Do not let the decision of others influence you. Consult the stock market advice and make your own decisions with full consideration. Rule 2. Do not depend on stock market speculators. No one has the right time to sell shares to anyone. Rule 3. Various shareholders. Involve money in your investment diversity. This can be prevented from possible losses. Rule 4. Invest in a longer term. Do not let the consequences of greediness and fear of the early ascent. Rule 5. Become disciplinarian investor. Invest in a fixed amount over a period of time and keep an eye on your investment from time to time. For more information, please visit ecgtrade.com. Thank you. Click this link to see next video.